Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show you how to get cute Notion icons. Notion provides a convenient built-in icon library. You can select from hundreds of emojis and simple symbols to personalize your pages. To change an icon, simply click on the current icon next to your page title. This opens a menu where you can browse and pick your favorite. It's a quick and easy way to add a touch of personality to your workspace in just a few seconds. Beyond Notion's defaults, you can find thousands of custom icons online. Websites like Flaticon, the Noun Project, and Icon Finder are excellent resources for free, high-quality icon packs. When downloading, aim for SVG or PNG formats. SVG files offer crisp, scalable images at any size, while PNGs provide transparent backgrounds, making them perfect for Notion. This expands your customization options immensely, giving you a unique aesthetic. Once you have your custom icons, uploading them to Notion is straightforward. In the icon selection menu, navigate to the Custom tab. From there, choose Upload an image and select your downloaded file. For the best visual appearance, ensure your image is square, ideally around 280 by 280 pixels. This prevents stretching or distortion, ensuring your cute icons look perfect on your Notion pages. To truly achieve a cute aesthetic, consistency is key. Try to maintain a similar style or color palette across all your icons. Pastel colors, soft gradients, or minimalist line art often contribute to a charming look. Many designers offer entire icon sets, ensuring uniformity and a cohesive feel throughout your Notion workspace. Experiment with different combinations to find what best expresses your personal style and makes your pages delightful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.